Hi all, this is Carmen, and it has been a long time that I posted a video, and in this video I'm going to show you my DT box, inspiration box from Nadezdha. Nadezdha, her company or her business, yeah, it's called Marchena Design. I will put a link in the description box below to her Instagram and YouTube channel. And this inspirational kit is the kit from November. I think it's a little bit Christmas related, but yeah, I didn't peek, so I don't know what's in there. So it will be a surprise for me too. If you want information about her kits, you just send her a message through YouTube or Instagram, and she will get back to you. This kit is a little bit different than the normal kits that she sells, but it is most of the things that are in here are also in the kit from November. So the inspirational kit from Nadezdha, so Marchena Design. Okay, I'm going to show you what she's done with my DT box. Okay, so this is her logo. I will put it in the video on the front. Let's see. Okay. How to? Okay. This is nice paper. You have to tell me, Nadezdha, did you scan this? I think so. It's lovely. Thank you. Nice. And I'm going to show you a doily. She will put in different doilies in your kits. Yeah, she buys them on markets, vintage markets. Also in Belgium together. She finds them with Patricia. So yeah, they are lovely finds. I love that. So a doily, love it. Oh, here I come. Love it. And look, this lovely gingerbread from, I think, Patricia. Yes, I know it's from Patricia. Oh yeah, it's a nice one, a nice size, the gingerbread. Love it. Very cute. Not too big. Love it. Look how gorgeous work. Yeah. And this one also, I know for sure, also made by Patricia. Okay. Lovely. Nice. Lovely colors. I love the colors. And this one, look, I like it. Beautiful. A nice flower. Hope you can see it. And this one. Yes. I love the color scheme. I love the, yeah. Lately I'm a big fan of blue. So, oh, nice. And this one, I think this elastic, yes. With flowers. Skin toned, I think, yes. And this one, a tiny one. Oh, where's the beginning? Where's the beginning? I don't want to ruin her. Look, a little bit elastic, like it. Very nice. A very tiny one. Oh, is this one? Oh, it looks like one that I have. Oh, yeah, with some, it looks like leaves. Love it. Thank you. And this one. Oh, 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 a vintage one, I think. A cotton. Look, like it. Am I in frame? Oh, yeah, I am. I am, yes. This one, this is elastic. I think I know this one. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, cool. This one, nice. And now we get to the blue ones. Blue, white. Bluish with white flower. Cool. Cool, Nadezdha. Like it. Oh my god. Or I say, like it, love it. And lovely pom-pom. Pom-pom trim. Pom-pom-pom. And this one. Yeah. Very light blue it is. Bluish. This one. Looks like little leaves are the print of leaves. Oh, I love velvet. This is nice. Little grey bluish color of velvet. And this one. Oh my god, a lot of trim. Look. The flowers of this one. I love this. Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. I don't know how it's called in English, and you are screaming now, it is that. Yes, yes, yes. But I love this. Cool. Yeah. Thinking, what to do. Will be alright. And this pom-pom. I love this one. I had some kind of trim in my stash. I love this for, yeah, for example, edges of tiny boxes, or yeah, no, mostly I use this to alter boxes. Yeah, and this one, cool. This is nice. Look how nice. A large piece also. So yes. I think I know. Yeah. My brain is going everywhere. I love this mesh. Did you call it mesh? Silver mesh. Yeah. And in white with glitter. Love that. Okay. What was I curious about was the paper. The doodles I will do later. First of all, the paper, because I'm curious. Ooh, neutral. Ooh, I love me some wood. I love wood. Yeah. Nice tags. Pastel tags. Yeah, look. I don't know what paper it is. Is this also Minte? You have to tell me. I think it's Minte. And this one I love the matte, yeah, tones. Yes, it's very Christmassy. Very Christmassy. Yes. Look. Ah, nice. Nice combo. And then I will show you the paper. And it's Precious Moment. Precious Moment. Okay. Nice. This is yeah. I love the tones. I love the colors. Yep. And this one, beautiful. Yeah. This is cool. Yeah. And this one. Flowers are beautiful. Yeah. I love the script. Yeah. Of it. Oops. It's always very sturdy paper, mente paper. And last, oh no, not last. I have to show you the doodads. This is nice. I love that. I had something like that in my mind. Yes, I did. Because I saw a photo that she placed on Instagram, a sneak peek of the kids, and I already thought of something like that. So okay, we do that. Let's see. Yep, nice. I like that. Yeah, this I also yeah. These are lovely. Blue, the color is nice. Some bling, some flatback pearls, sort of flatback. A nice bead, a ring. I think it's you can use them for what can you use them for? To make a tag? You have to tell me. Love this resin part. No resin part. No filigrane part. Wooden frame. You have to tell me, Nadesh. I think it's for making tags. And this one, love that. Tiny white one. Yeah, tiny. Oh, okay. Have those so I can. Lovely, love bling like this. It's very shabby. Nice flower, a ring, ring. Okay. There's too much in my head now, but yeah. I love a challenge, so. Okay, these are the doodads that are in the kit. So, okay. This is the November Inspirational kit from Marchena Design, and I will put the link in the description box below. Yeah, stay tuned for another video then when I finish my DT project. Have to think, and I'm already thinking. and yeah, already have some ideas in my head, so let's see if I can realize it. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.